Congratulations! You have just volunteered to be part of history. The nationwide vaccination program is a huge undertaking and is critically important in the fight against the virus. You will be part of the national effort, helping to staff our community vaccination centers here in Perth Kinross. The Vaccination Volunteering Program is the new Perth Kinross offer in action. The offer, a new way of working between the Council and our communities, aims to enable everyone in Perth Kinross to play their part in making this a better place for all, helping people to share their ideas, skills, and connections. Everyone has something to offer. So what can you expect? Initially, a buddy will shadow you to show you the ropes and make sure you feel confident in your role. There are a few different roles at our vaccination centers. Marshals make sure people receiving their vaccinations are guided through the process quickly and efficiently while maintaining social distance. Marshal roles include directing people to parking bays to allow a quick and safe flow of traffic, directing people through the vaccination center using the safe one-way system, explaining the vaccination process to people when they arrive, and helping people with additional needs or mobility issues where appropriate. You will also use your customer care skills to help people get through the vaccination journey comfortably and quickly. You will be meeting lots of people, and some of them might be scared about the vaccination process. You can help put them at ease. If you are working on the welcoming team, you will ask people some standard questions when they arrive and provide them with a face mask. Again, a calm and friendly approach will be needed to put people at ease. You will find out more about what these different roles involve during your induction process. When you're on a shift, someone will always be on hand to help you. You'll be working alongside NHS colleagues and other volunteers, and each center has a friendly manager who is here to help and support you. Just ask someone if you have any questions. By volunteering, you're contributing in a very real way towards defeating COVID-19 and saving lives. Thank you so much. You're helping your community defeat the virus and playing a part in history.